He said he want a piece like Meta World. Pat pat on the kitty cat. He don't mess with them regulars. He tryna kick it like a ninja. He tryna stick it like syringes. He don't ever play the benches, so I'ma let him touch it if he playing with some inches. I know that you want it. I see that you watching. You love when I whine it. You know that I'm sexy. I hope that you ready to come here and get it with the hot girl them.
Rich them girls, them a pop the pum pum, them a wind up them waist, them a pop the pum pum. She wins them girls,